In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Zoho Books password, providing you with a full guide for 2025. Whether you're securely updating your credentials or simply enhancing your account's protection, knowing how to change your password in Zoho Books is a vital skill. First, head over to the Zoho Books dashboard. This is your starting point for accessing various account settings and personalized configurations. If you're already logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page, which contains an overview of your finances and recent activities. Now that you're at the dashboard, the next step is crucial. Locate and click on the highlight option. This will typically take the form of a visual or text-based button designed to guide users to important features or updates. It might be color-coded or marked with an icon for easy visibility. By clicking on this, you'll be directed to a more detailed menu where more account-specific settings are available. Moving forward, click on My Account. This section holds key information and options related to your personal and account settings. It's where you'll manage most of your account details, including your profile and security options. So take a moment to navigate to this section, prepared to make the necessary adjustments. Once you've accessed your account settings, look for the Security tab. Clicking on this tab reveals the various security measures and options you have in place. This includes settings for verification processes, security questions, and of course, your password management. The Security tab is your gateway to ensuring that your account remains protected and that all security measures are active and up to date. After selecting the security option, the next step is to click on Password. This specific page is dedicated to managing the password aspect of your account, offering you the option to change it as needed. Perhaps you want to align it with a new set of security protocols you've established, or maybe you've simply decided it's time for something more robust. On this page, carefully follow the prompts which will guide you through inputting your current password and setting a new secure password, and that's all there is to it. You've now successfully changed your password for Zoho Books, aligning with the best practices for account security. Regularly updating your password is a good habit that helps in protecting your sensitive financial data from potential security threats. Remember, a strong password usually combines letters, numbers, and symbols to create a complex string that's difficult to predict. As always, ensure you keep your credentials safe and avoid sharing them unchecked. By following this guide, you're taking substantial steps towards